The first term in the geometric sequence, -8, 16, -32, 64, is -8. If it can be determined, what is the fifth term? Let's go. All right, they said a big term here, geometric sequence. See, there's two types of sequences you gotta know on the ACT and the SAT. First of all, an arithmetic sequence is one where you're always adding or subtracting the same number. So +7, +7, +7, for example. Okay, a geometric sequence is one where you're always multiplying the same number. So times 5, times 5, times 5, for example. They said that we have a geometric sequence here. That means we're just simply multiplying the same number every time. So all we need to do is figure out what is that number we're multiplying by. So I mapped out the terms here. The first terms are -8, 16, -32, 64. What are we multiplying each time? You could probably figure it out for yourself that you're multiplying by -2. So this is times a -2 each time. Now, if you're in doubt or if the numbers weren't so easy, all you'd have to do is divide two consecutive terms to get that answer. So for example, divide 16 by -8, and that's -2. Or divide -32 by 16. That's also -2. So that would be how you could figure out what that number is. But in our case, we're multiplying by -2 every time. So the next term, guess how we're gonna get there? Yeah, you guessed it. We're gonna multiply by -2. So what's 64 by -2? That's -128. So therefore, the fifth term of our sequence is -128. So our answer is D. And if you got it, good thinking.